Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Skilla. I have a video footage and a voice note of an incident that took place on Dunrobin Avenue. Some people call it Dunrobin Road, where 2 persons have been shot. You see me? Now be advised that the information in this is not confirmed, but it's just to give you an idea what really and truly are going on. You see me? Now, I have to make sure I want to know that the following video that I'm about to show you, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
So what's up, gun in the hand there? Yeah. See my ground there. So you know, so don't have me gonna block off sooner or later. One could slug. Yeah. I'm bite man.
That's you did you know.
What's up on the scene? With the gun in the hand. Say my shoot off a man shoot him.
Yo, team, you copy, sir. One man ride up. If you shoot on a boy, them a wipe glass, I done Robin. You see me, I say? Him shoot the boy, we wipe glass, I done Robin. But, I'm for lights of fire alone, I wet him one. So him lie down in a middle road, I done Robin.
Alright, so there you have it. You don't know me only bring to know what go on hot on social media, make you go and see what go on in and around Jamaica and around the world. You know, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think, and read comments for update per each post. Like I said, information is left by viewers and subscribers in the comment section that is often important. Alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?